This is a continuation from a previous video in a bridal dress shop, and some of these techniques may apply to more than just wedding dresses, so hopefully it's helpful for you. So we're gonna use the same microphone just for fun, but just to make it complicated, I'm gonna say you can't use foamies. Instead, I'd actually like to show you another thing, which could actually be used almost the same way, but not quite. It's they call them plushies, and the reason I'm going with these is because of the neckline. Let's say we're doing it on the hill of a winery and there's a lot of exposure to the lake. Wind, exactly. So the foamie's not gonna cut it. So we actually need to cover the capsule. It's kind of like a little Smurf hat. You actually just put the mic into it.
All right.
Oh,
so
cute.
So you just push it into it, and you can still safety pin the plush without poking the mic, because now that gives full wind protection all the way around. Yeah. Aggressive wind test.
Not so close, not so close. Too hot.
So in this situation, what I would do is I'd actually do a little knot in the cable. So if I use this one as an example, if you do a little knot near the capsule, but just a bit back, you can then poke a safety pin through the knot.
We don't want to cinch it too tight.
And into the cloth, but that can be further down out of sight. So now what happens here is if there's any pulling on the cable, you're pulling on the knot and the mic is relaxed. So now you're not going to yank the mic out of the plush because it has less friction than the foamies did. Two safety pins, one goes into the knot and one goes through the plushie into the dress.
So with this orientation of Smurf hat, vertical, horizontal.
So it's an omnidirectional mic, so any direction is fine. It can be pointing down. There's
no benefit.
Up. There's not really a difference. Not a discernible difference.
So I don't want to do it in a way that it would like be worked itself up and it's just like popping up by the time.
I see what you're asking. So actually you're doing two pins. So one holds onto this for strain and then one is going through the plushie and that's going to hold it.
So pin this one first and then pin this one up top is basically what you're saying?
Yeah, I like doing the mic first and then picking the strain relief afterwards. So why don't I give you the Lav Bullet here?
And undo. Going the wrong way. Please fish this down. Down the middle. Pop and wiggle. Nice. We're listening for that magical sound. Now I want to get the thigh on this.
So yeah, I like to try and get that plugged in and off the ground as soon as possible, because as soon as you step on it and then kick it,
I'll put
now
it
the mic's
too
dead,
tight,
and now we have to restart the whole thing, and that's time consuming. Where would you like the mic to go? Do you want to do a thigh, ankle? What would you?
Thigh? Ankle?
We could do ankle. If
this dress is quite large, so we could definitely do that.
It's a bigger poof.
Have another set.
It is Sunday. I have my ankle monitor on.
Oh yeah.
Thigh strap, sure.
There you go.
Okay. I need the pack in here, please.
Now sometimes it's easier to plug in the mic first and then send it into the pack. It just depends on what kind of a transmitter you're using.
All right, do we want one of those strappers?
It's on the end here.
Aha.
Nice.
That's so smart. Ursa, you did a good job. All right, now I'm gonna just, I know you, so I'm gonna strap you.
You're actually my wife.
Yes,
You're my wife.
It's been a while.
You actually do it upside down though.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, and then with this, I should have put it on the outside. Is this okay? Is this awkward or comfortable?
That's fine.
You can tuck it in a little more maybe. It's not gonna fall for all intents and purposes.
Okay. You've already tucked in the cable, so now you're gonna get a little extra when you finish tucking that in, but that's probably fine because it's that much length.
So the mic first.
Do you want me to do it for you? Because I can get both my hands. Yeah, let's do that. Very good. Yeah, I can't see it.
You're hired.
Both? Did you do both pins?
Oh, we lost Smurf hat. No! This is exactly why we try to avoid this, because it's like, it just seems like this mountain that it shouldn't be.
Yeah, so the second pin takes all the movement, all the pulling, and then the one pin just basically holds the Smurf hat and keeps the mic from being yanked on.
That's why I want to start at the bottom, work my way out.
Maybe the other way is better. Okay, so actually I'd go with you on that.
If you're
because
getting
if you
them
do the
to do
strain
it,
relief first, now when you go to the second one, you're not pulling it out of the...
Perfect.
Let's have a little listen here. If you want to throw those on, then you throw these on. Now we gotta put her on
Mic testing. All right, let's get married. Wow, am I loud? Good morning.
What?
Hi.
I can hear her.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So there's a bit of crunkle.
If you take the headphones off for a second, and now listen with your ears, like that's just coming from that whole dress. So in that situation, moving the mic won't actually help.
Yeah.
Because it's from the air.
That's just like
It is
what
just
the dress.
There's a little.
She's not moving that much usually.
So possible sources of that, either there's a part of the dress right nearby the mic that is just making like a kind of a crinkling sound.
Well, typically you would
Yeah.
wear a bra, or would you wear a bra in the dress?
No.
Yeah.
If it was fitted
if it's
properly,
rubbing
yeah,
against
you
maybe
don't
the
need
bra
to.
because the dress is moving.
Could be that. The other thing it could be is maybe the mic is actually spinning.
Oh, okay.
And if that's the case, the Foamie would fix that problem. So just to satisfy curiosity, why don't we just switch out Foamie. So everything else is going to stay the exact same. We're just going to change that.
Ursa strapped.
Yo, who let all of us in the same room?
Okay. All right, we're in.
Okay, see those
We've swapped out for the Foamie.
is now Foamie. So same sort of thing if you want to maybe talk about dogs. Cute
I
dogs.
love dogs. I just learned about a new dog today, and I'm pretty sure that I want to meet all the dogs. Do you know what kind of dog I want, though? A corgi.
We
But
know
I'm
what kind of
so
dog you're allergic to?
Corgis.
So if the
they're
Russell
so
is
cute.
gone,
Yeah, it's all dressed now, none of that.
it's actually there still a little bit.
It's the crackle from the beads is what it is.
Oh,
Beads on the
Yeah,
on the
top part.
dress?
Yeah, and
Like if I was to actually
sequins.
like, I'm walking to go do my, I don't know, on my way.
The source of the sound is just the dress itself. Yeah, so it's, I think in this situation, there's not really going to be any helping it by changing how the mic is. It's just
No,
part
but
of the
like
dress.
there's tons of volume there, so even if you had it down a bit with a little noise post.
Which of these two would you say was easier to deal with?
The foam.
Foam?
Yeah,
100% foam.
This has become at least 60% of how I mic up anybody.
E.T. foam home.
I just think it's more.
Yo, I once watched that in French class, and that stuck. E.T. téléphone maison.
Glad I could bring you back to this memory lane.
So in your dress in the moment, you have the Foamie
Yeah.
and the mic is just run straight down through the front and you have a ankle strap on.
Ankle monitor.
Yeah, so I would actually just tuck this cable in a little bit nicer than that. How's your balance?
Pretty good, actually.
Pretty good. Oh, good.
So in that situation, the dress is long enough and it covers like down to the feet. You could do that. Like it's got a long train. It's like 3 layers of fabric as well. It's like there's no
Yeah.
seeing through it.
Yeah.
So if that's more comfortable than a thigh, especially like if it's hotter outside.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
here,
then
like,
it's
the
gonna be-
thighs are tight, so.
Form fitting, not so thigh.
So I
You can
have
put it anywhere.
the pockets are that's pretty baller.
You can go camping in this thing. I think
How
just,
easy it was.
yeah.
Actually.
Definitely. This is way easier than what we've been doing and avoiding doing.
Just having any of those like straps would make,
The right tools.
yeah. like,
Yeah,
that would be
that's the big
huge.
takeaway. The other thing that I really like, other than having the right tools to make the job a lot easier and less daunting, is having, like you were saying, get a photo of the dress. Like usually somebody's picked it out, they know what they're gonna be, so it gives you that much more like headspace going into the thing instead of
Yeah.
like troubleshoot and do the best you can on the spot. It
Or
gives
just
you,
bringing
hey,
all of that and hoping that one of it, like you'd have a better idea of what you need before going into it.
exactly.
Having a little
Preparation.
bag with some tricks in it. So that's actually what this is.
Toolkit.
I'll have
The check
my
bag.
mics are going to be right here. I'll have a couple of bands just in here, and I've got a couple like extra things, just like last minute stuff. I'll just take this
Yeah.
with me, and it's just like throw it over your shoulder, run in, do what you need to do,
Yeah.
and it's not like a big thing you're like lugging around with you. Super helpful. You can size that down to whatever's more comfortable for you. It's just like a little like fanny pack to just
Yeah.
have with.
Well, we're bringing camera gear and stuff anyway, so it's like that's not a big deal.
Yeah.
You don't go fishing without hooks and lures, kids, so make sure you bring your Ursa straps. That's a wrap.